Hey, this is Papa from StreetFighterTradingSystem.com. Alright guys, so it's been quite some time that I haven't uploaded a video. Today we are at, I think, day 17. We're going to talk about probably the most important part of trading, which is money management. Okay, so I think that I've seen on Facebook and so on that people are starting to grasp the concept that I try to teach. They know the setup, they know the Papa score, they are starting to understand market structure, but all this, I think it's useless if you don't have proper money management and you protect your money, right? So we're going to talk about this during the coming days. So I will show you what money management strategy I use, and then if you are willing to do so, you can either use mine or create your own. Okay, so basically, first, as you all know, the way I play failed to record pullback or show you punish is that I have a 1 point profit for a 2 point fixed stop loss. Okay, so 1 point fixed profit, 2 point fixed stop loss. So the idea is when we trade, if you basically enter a trade, to be able to get filled, you will need the price to not do 4 ticks but 5 ticks. Okay, so 1 point is 4 ticks, but unfortunately when you go live it needs to do 5 ticks. Okay, so one thing that I do to prevent myself, if it goes, let's say that the price you market by order, so you buy a market, the price goes 4 ticks and then goes back to it doesn't fill you and then goes back and hit your stop loss. You don't want to have this, right? So what I do is that I use something called an ATM strategy to be able to move my stop loss if the price reach 4 ticks. Okay, so for those who don't know first what is an ATM strategy, so let's say I buy a market. First, it will automatically put my buy stop, my target into 1 point and my stop loss into 2. Okay, and then what I can do is that what it will do also is that if it reach, let's say 4, the price will automatically go to 2 point ticks. Okay, so this is what I'm going to talk about. So it's how to set up this ATM strategy and what I use. Okay, so basically I have done a Google sheet that I will put on the description of the video, of course, where I explain my way of trading. Okay, my way of managing money. So first things first, what you need to understand is when do I know when to stop trading? Okay, so let's say I'm on Friday because I only have time to trade on Friday. What is gonna stop me from using my real account? Okay, it's very simple. If I do one loss, if I lose one time on that day, I will stop trading. Okay, so I can go up to 100-0 if I want to, but if I have 101, I will stop trading. Okay, so very simple. I stop trading if I do one loss on the day. Okay, and I can switch to my SIM account. So continue trading maybe on my SIM account, but on my real live account, I will stop trading. Okay, so the first strategy that I want to talk about is the one that I mostly use, which is I basically have 4 ticks profit and 8 ticks fixed stop loss. Okay, but then as I said, if it reach 4 ticks, the price is not going to fill us. It needs to do 5 ticks. So what I do is that if it reach 4, I'll have my stop loss that will go to 2 ticks profit. Okay, so I'm willing to basically only win $25 if the price doesn't go 5 ticks. Okay, but it's better than losing money. So this is my first strategy. The second one that I also sometimes use is I'm even doing a tighter stop loss. Okay, so I have 8-4, and if the price reach 3 ticks, I will move my stop loss to 1 point. Okay, 1 point stop loss. So this is even tighter because the reason why I do this is we play show you punish, and if we read the show you punish correctly, the price should shoot up directly. It shouldn't go up and come back, right? It should not happen. So that's the reason why I have those strategy. Okay, so those strategy, I will play them if I do 2 wins in a row. So let's say I win one time, I have $50. I win a second time, I have $100. Okay. After that, I will change the way I trade. So basically, I will try to have a tighter stop loss, even, and I will let basically the runner run. So meaning that here, so this is wrong. I will have a 1 point stop loss, and the profit is infinite. Okay. What I do is that I'm willing to take on the next trade and to lose only $50. So like that, if I lose, I will still be a winner on the day, right? So let's say I win 2 times and I lose on the next time, I will lose 1 point. Okay. So $50, so $100 minus $50 is $50 profit. Okay. So this is how basically I protect my money, and every single day I'm positive. So it's been a very, very long time. I think, I don't know, maybe 3 months that I trade, or 4 months that I've been negative. I've almost never been negative, to be honest with you guys. But it's because I apply like proper strategy of money management, and most of the time I will tell you I win. So my win rate is pretty high. When I use the order book, it's close to 100%. I never really traded live, only looking at chart. I'm going to be very honest with you. But if I look at chart only, because I want to put myself into the condition of the bootcamp, I think I'm around 90+%, right? But when I do the bootcamp, I only play my live, not my live account, but my sim account. I play live only when I use the order book in combination with the chart. Okay, so anyway, what I want to talk about is the strategy. So the way it works is that I will have, I'll put my stop loss at 4, my profit at 20, and I can be even higher. And then what I will do is that I will, how to say, I will have the stop go back to 50, and then if it reach 2 points, right, my stop loss will follow 3 ticks below. Okay, so every time it's going to do 3 ticks higher, my stop loss is going to move 3 ticks below the candle. Okay, so this is usually what I do after that I have 2 wins, and I let the runner run if it has to be a runner. Okay, but usually it doesn't happen quite often. Usually I get stopped at $25, $25, $25, and I will continue like this, like infinite. So my win streak on a single day, I think it's 27, so 27 wins in a row. And then on the 28th, I think I lost. But yeah, so this is pretty much how I manage my trade. I don't force you to use ATM strategy, but I do think that you will see if you play your real live account, not sim, because sim in NinjaTrader is it's not useless, but kind of useless because you get filled instantly, I think, and you don't have slippage. Okay, so that's why you need to start training this thing, of course, on your sim account, and start to see basically what's happening. Okay, so this is, I think, a must-have, this one at least. So 2-point stop loss, 1 point profit, and then when it reached 4 ticks, you have your stop loss that go back to 2. Okay, so this is pretty much what I wanted to share. As I said, really spend some time training this on your account, and then let me know what are your results once you do this. Okay, so this was Papa from StreetFighterTradingSystem.com. I'll see you on the next video.